Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Erica Lee Soriano, grade 10 Earth, standing in front of my fellow student to remind each of you that everyone has, has a power to achieve academic excellence, even the schoolwork get hard. We ourselves and there's a time that we feel tired and your body and mind is about to give up. Just remember why you are here, why you started to choosing your dream. Don't be afraid to face your problem and just look around because there are people who are willing to face your problem and together we will grow not just in know but in character when we achieve for excellence all of us we are choosing a better path for I, I know I'm not perfect. I make mistake, but because of it, I learn. I try again, and I keep moving forward and help each other, and believe that even small effort every day will lead to big success. And one day together, let continue to be achieve for excellence, not to be the best among others, but to be the best version of yours. And that all. Thank you for listening to my speech.